Marami ako nakikita ng mga posts sa threads tungkol sa mga tao na nag-celebrate na sila daw ay cancer-free na. At nakakatuwa yung genuine happiness nila. Napakaganda. What's even more amazing are the comments sa mga posts na yun. Kung saan yung mga commenters ay nakikicelebrate with them. And I am one of those na nagko-comment minsan na, hey, congratulations. And that's coming from the bottom of my heart. And some of the comments are actually, sharing their own milestones din. Like, ako rin, I've been cancer-free for this much years. For a year already, for 12 years, etc. At nakakatuwa lang yung mga ganong kind of interactions, at least for me. I generally value life, but losing my father for more than a couple of years now, and losing 2 dogs, and surviving a minor motorcycle accident kasama si Joanne sa Zambales, made me appreciate life even more. Minsan, I think about those who have already passed. Yung mga nakasama ko at least, friends, and people that I personally know. At kapag kami mga gantong moment sa buhay ko, which is by the way, napapadalas na lately, I often find myself asking, is this it? Like, ito na ba yun? Sana sila? Wala na? Alam mo yan? Yung mga kaibigan at family members nila, do they still think about them? Because I do. Every now and then, I think of my father and those that have already passed. And minsan naisip ko, man, it could be me, pwedeng ako yun, yung wala na ngayon, for some reason, I not here anymore. Or it could be Joanne, or kahit sino na mahal ko sa buhay. And I'm happy na sa mga oras na to, I still have my mother at yung aking 2 sisters. And yung mga dogs at marami pang mga friends. Pero yes, it could be me and anyone that I care about. Ito yung mga reminder sa akin na napaka-short ng buhay, napaka-fragile, at napaka-precious at the same time. Gusto ko palagi na manatili yan sa aking puso at isipan, and gusto ko na maging way of life ko yan. Merong isang quote mula kay Confucius na na-stumble upon ko nung nakaraan. Sabi niya, a healthy man wants 1,000 things, and a sick man only wants one. And that is, obviously, to be well at walang sakit. And it made me wonder, how differently would we treat life? How differently would we live if we embrace this perspective na as if we are, just been told by the doctor na, hey, you are cancer-free. Congratulations. How would we express love? And how would we celebrate the lives of others as well? Like, how would we treat yung mga people around us? Kasi understanding na, okay, my life is precious and so are their lives. And I can be and do whatever I wanted to be and do whatever I wanted to be as long as, wala tayong naapakan na ibang mga tao. And giving those same privileges sa ibang tao rin. Like, how will we be treating yung life natin and life nila differently if we've just received yung message or yung news na yan from the doctors per se na, hey, congratulations, you are cancer-free. Like, how would this kind of mindset will change our life day to day? I don't know. Maybe part lang to ng pagtanda. Maybe. I don't know. Or is it me being a middle-aged person? Maybe. Siguro, like those who are celebrating their cancer-free life, and katulad din ng mga nasa comments sa mga posts na gano'n na they are genuinely happy and proud of these people, siguro I can also celebrate. Siguro I can also be happy now and proud too of me and for others, for being still alive today. Yeah, cheers.